Okay, it's a nice website. Hmm, okay, okay, that's good. The UI looks pretty good. Let's start. Okay, so these are your radio buttons that we have four options. Let's try skiing for trip and pick. Let's try this. Okay, so these are the farms that basically I'm getting different farms. Okay, that's good. I like the table and the different colors that you've put. It's good. Okay, so we have the ratings that are given here, the distance. Okay, so that's good. And we have the interest address. Okay, so this is the interest where. Okay, that's good. Sorry. Okay, and this is the rating for the interest. So let's try the home button. Okay. Let's look at this. Okay, so for payments, I get all of this. That's good. Click here. For list of awards. Okay, so it redirects me to fairwork.gov. Okay, I can get all the awards over here. Okay. Hmm, that's good. Let's look at taxes now. Okay, I can enter my taxes over here. Okay, that's good.